All right, to kick things off for the first part of this course, we're going to start off really simple and install Blender. So let's go about doing that. Okay, first thing we want to do, just go Google, Blender, bam, blender.org. All right, beautiful. Just find whatever's first one that shows up. So download Blender. The latest version is 3.1. Gonna download it. And you got variations for Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever. I got Windows, so let's go about doing this. Okay, downloading through here. And really this is all just similar ordinary setup for just about any other program that you do, but if you're an absolute beginner, here's kind of the process and rundown for it. All right, so I'm going to show in folder. Almost done downloading. Perfect. Okay, opening this up. Next. No one ever reads these, so let's keep going. All right, whatever. Yeah, I believe I always have these in the C drive. So I can check. Yeah, it looks like I always throw them in C. All right, cool. And then install. Awesome. And you guys are going to want to download the latest version of Blender for this, just because there are some things, particularly in Blender 3.0 and beyond, that are new features that are really useful, especially for lighting environments. So there'll be something called sky texture, but we'll get into that stuff later. All right, finish. I mean, it's all free, so, you might as well have the latest and greatest. All right. And so we went about doing all that. I'm going to look it up in my start menu, which is off to the side. Opening Blender. Beautiful. All right. And that's it.
Imagine this. In 15 hours, you have the skills to make your own 3D car models in Blender, just like these students did. Don't spend months wandering from one YouTube tutorial to the next, and instead save your time and learn from someone who's in the industry and practice it every single day. My brand, Lumina Design Academy, has made this course, Car Modeling for Beginners, just for you. After teaching hundreds of students both digitally and at world-renowned car design schools, I'm confident I can teach you too. Whether you're a student or a professional, this course gives you everything you know to build a portfolio for school or land your next job. So what's inside? Well, the best part is no experience required. I show you how to install Blender, manipulate objects, move the camera around, so it doesn't matter if you're a pro or an absolute beginner, I got you. In chapter 2, we go over modeling a car. To do this, we use something called orthographics. Essentially, you just use points to go over an illustration, and just like you did as a little kid, we connect the dots. And if you can connect the dots, you can make this car. In chapter 3, we're gonna go over rendering, and I show you all the settings I use for both outdoor and indoor lighting setups to make your renderings pop. In chapter 4, we're covering animation. And I'm gonna show you how to move cameras, rig a car, and bring your model to life. And the best part is, Blender is completely free. In addition, follow me on Instagram to see what Lumen is up to next.